In today's video, I'm going to show you how to analyze customer feedback in HubSpot so you can clearly understand what your customers are saying and use that data to improve your business. Let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. From your main dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Service. Inside that dropdown, find and select Feedback Surveys. This is where all your customer survey data is stored. HubSpot allows you to collect feedback through different channels, like email surveys, website pop-ups, or embedded forms. Once customers submit their responses, everything is automatically saved inside this section. Now, to actually analyze the data, click on the Responses tab. This is where you'll see all the feedback that has been submitted. Before diving into the details, set your date range. This helps you focus on a specific time period, like the last 30 days or a custom range. You can also apply filters to narrow down results, for example by survey type or response status. Filtering makes it easier to spot trends without getting overwhelmed. Once you see the list of responses, you can select specific surveys by checking the boxes next to them. Then click on Actions to access more options. If you want a deeper breakdown, switch to the Analyze tab. Here, HubSpot gives you a visual overview of your survey performance. You can see how many customers were surveyed, how many responded, and how many left additional comments. This makes it easy to measure engagement and satisfaction at a glance. If you need to share the data with your team or review it outside HubSpot, you can export the responses. Just choose the export option and you'll be able to download the data for further analysis. By regularly reviewing this feedback, you can identify patterns, spot recurring complaints, and understand what customers appreciate most. Instead of guessing what needs improvement, you'll have real data guiding your decisions. And that's how you analyze customer feedback in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful